milestones that we have set as a society, the things that we plan to achieve, and the projects that we plan to implement, and just the formal interaction with you members of our society at the end of last year in September. We've been trying to organize ourselves in a more formal and convenient way that can help us achieve all the goals that we have set for our society. The society executive was limited. We needed to have members of our society that can help us execute specific tasks. So committees are an extension of our society executive. In our executive committees, we have the technical committee. The technical committee is solely created for one purpose. And that purpose is to execute all the technical activities in the society. The end of last year was a good start for us. The technical committee did one of the things. We came up with what we call ZedCTF. So ZedCTF, standing for Zambian Capture the Flag. ZedCTF was an initiative that was created to help members of our society that are interested in cybersecurity and anything that has to do with CTF. So ZedCTF is not only limited to the context of Kapasa University. It has attracted a lot of attention from even outside our university. There was a competition which was held last year. Makasa University participated. There were other major universities such as University, University of Zambia, and then we came out number one. So that being said, we have a reputation to give. We've also been planning the field trip. So the purpose of the field trip is to actually help students connect to the industry, possibly in Livingstone or Osaka. ICTAZ is there to license all the ICT practitioners in Ghana. So, as a society, we plan to make an initiative affiliating the ICT Association. So our goal as a society this year is to affiliate with the ICT Association to make each other go in the field of technology. That's why the society is for Makasa, together again. We are there to foster creativity, innovation, and skill development. Thank you so much.
Which I think that a number of us know what it means. Like if you don't, you have about coordinators who help us understand what it really is and what it will be. Please, round of applause because
my name is Bwalya, and I'm the ICTAZ coordinator. And let me give you guys the roadmap. This roadmap is divided into 2 phases. The month. So in a month, we have some activities which we'll be conducting with the help of our committees who will be tutoring. In January, it's a month of basis. Okay, so now I get into the basis. Okay, so there are some of our students who don't know how to operate with computers, Excel, Word, Access, and so on and so forth. We need your commitment. We need you people to be participating. So March our focus will be on web development and programming. In April will be a month of databases. Somewhere in April, you guys will have a solid understanding, and I'm sure you'll be able to feel the interest. I'm expecting you guys to come up with something for you to showcase. We'll try to invite some universities. In a month of June, we will focus on the training. There are some moving on to July. It will be a month of vacancy. Okay? So now how do you gain a skill? Okay, you gain a skill by practicing with the people who are experienced in what they do. So the society has some tutors, okay? So these tutors, they are experienced in what they do, okay? Moving on from August September, we'll be focusing on our security. Then moving on to October, the month of what is the new executive. Okay. So my last words, I would like you to be attending the tutorials.
Society, members of the society, is the skills. Highlights is essential, especially for us who are doing cybersecurity.
This work for is just limits. What would you like to achieve?
You are presented to us as members of the society. Then you say it's not happening. Why are you doing something?
When it comes to the roadmap, the number of activities like that we are looking from first year to 4th year. So imagine what we remove computer basics. Believe me, you people are agree with me, to our first years, even some of second years, there are people that don't know how to use computers. To make sure that these same basics, someone doesn't know anything about it. So how can, like, for us to teach what is coming here, we need to have a starting point. For those who are friends that don't know anything about computers, some of them, they don't even have computers. So that is why they are basic.
Apart from the daily skills and the tutorials, what other activities are benefiting data science students from this roadmap?
You are feeling left out as a program like data science. We are saying they make recommendation to say we are lacking in this field. We can organize something. That's the main reason why our team has expanded. That's why we are working for community.
When it comes to factory flag, are you aware that these other entities such as UNZA, they do have cybersecurity? But in the past years, they were number one outstanding documentary. So the question is, are you not interested or you think it's just for cybersecurity? So think in that manner, if you are doing IT, what the skills are important to? Thank you.
You guys have to choose. So they can't do this way minus you guys being involved.
For those that want to teach it, you can make a contact now.